This is my car, 2026 Impreza RS. I'll be showing you the install of 4D Tech Start-Stop Eliminator. I cannot stand that start-stop button on this car. Other than that, it's a great car. I would advise you to get some good trim tools. It makes the job easier. Start off by prying off this trim here. It exposes the screws. Once the screws are off, pry down on this. Then gently remove the front cover. Then unplug this connector. Now it's time to connect the eliminator. Now before putting all the covers back, it's a good thing to test it out, see if it works. And it worked perfectly. Now keep in mind, when you press that button and you turn it back on, that auto start stop will activate.